Hey, what's good? I haven't posted a walk and talk in a minute, hence the reason why I'm posting one. I have some on my mind that I want to speak about. I just thought it'd be a perfect time to speak about such, especially just on my walk home. Just go on a quick walk just to take my mind off school, take my mind off YouTube, and just to speak with you guys about a topic that's on my mind. This topic that's on my mind is about dating, and I just say dating in a sense of I would say from an unfulfilled stance. Unfulfilled is the word I'm going to use for it. What I'm talking about is people, women, men, that are dating because they are lonely. When loneliness strikes insanely and you feel like nobody understands you, you feel like nobody gets you, so you date someone, but you date someone for the sole reason of just having someone by your side. And I feel like that's insanely wrong. I don't think that's what love is. I don't think that's what dating is. I don't think you should date someone if you're lonely. Like, yeah, dating someone, having someone in your life, having friends when you're lonely is cool. But when you, and this is just an opinion, I could be totally wrong about this, but I thought I'd share. So in the sense that when you date somebody and you're lonely, you look for them to be your source of unloneliness, to be your source of happiness, to be your source of goodness and adventure, you know? And you really mooch off them, you looch off them, you do similar, you do a lot of energy. You just try to get energy from them type shit. You know, I don't mess with that, you know. It's like you don't even have yourself figured out and you're trying to tell somebody how to live their life, because obviously, like, you guys are gonna have conversations type shit. You're gonna talk to her, you're gonna tell her, you're gonna tell him how to live their life or what you think about different situations, but you don't even have yourself figured out, so you shouldn't even be the one giving the advice because you don't even have that full vision on yourself. Look at yourself first, figure yourself out first, you know. You don't even have that figured out. You're trying to give other people advice and you're trying to mooch off them and use them as your drug, you know. And just for me at least, you know, sometimes it's like I don't even want to talk to people. Sometimes I don't even want to talk to people. Maybe that's just me. Maybe that's a me thing that I don't want to talk to people, but I don't know. I just feel like I don't associate with people. I don't want to talk to people. And that's something I gotta work on, you know. It's like, why would I get in a relationship with a woman who I don't even know, who I'm taking away their happiness because I'm mooching off their happiness for me? Just being selfish in that sense, and I feel like that's insanely selfish just to get in a relationship if you're doing that, if you're just trying to mooch off them. So that's how I'd say it. That's how I'd say it as such. I'd obviously wish it as it'd be different, but to me, at least right now, it's not different. That's how I see it. So I would say the reasons why one would get in a relationship as such, and that's also from a lower level of thinking. Maybe I should just evolve my thinking. Maybe I should just grow my level of thinking. But that's really all I really want to speak about. Just the wishing off somebody else's energy in your dating life. I feel like that's extremely invalid, insincere. If you're dating somebody, you date them because you want to be with them, and you date them because you also want to learn. Because obviously you can learn, but you date them because you want to be with them and you actually fuck with them as a person. And you have your shit. You don't have to have your shit figured out, but you have yourself in the sense that you're not just trying to mooch off them, you know. You're trying to really grow with them together. And that's easy to say. It's easy to say on a video. But yeah, grow with your people. Evolve yourself. Become the best version of yourself today. Read books. Delve into your mind. Meditate. And yeah, that's what I'd say it as. I'm out. Peace.